to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an amazing day today. I am so excited for today's video. We are finally going to be doing some little projects to the bathroom. Some bigger projects. I have been wanting to do this basically since we moved in here, so I am so excited that we finally got to it. The bathroom is now everything I've been wanting in a bathroom looks-wise. It is exactly the look I wanted to go for and everything like that, so I'm so excited to share with you guys. We're going to be doing some shiplap, we're going to be changing out the faucets and lights, everything like that. And then at the end, we're going to do some cleaning and some new decor will be coming in. I'm so excited. So make sure you guys stick around for the entire video because there's lots of good stuff in today's video. But before we jump into it, I want to take a second to say that today's video is also in collaboration with my sweet friend Mandy from Hey It's Mandy here on YouTube. Mandy is a sweetheart, you guys. She is so sweet. I love her so much. She posts great content. She's actually also going to be doing a little bathroom refresh. Hers is more of a decor refresh, and I can't wait to see it. She actually recently did a refresh in her other bathroom, and it came out so good, so I cannot wait to watch it. You guys will love her. If you enjoy my channel, you'll love hers as well. We post very similar content, cleaning, decorating, hauls. She also has a vlog channel as well, so I will link her video and both of her channels in my description box down below, and make sure you let her know that I sent you guys over there. And now we are just going to go ahead and get right into this. So I am going to be doing kind of like a little story time almost for the first portion of it. As I explained to you guys like what we did, and I'll put the clips over it. To start off, we went ahead and painted our bathroom the color Gallery White by Behr. We did Gallery White and Behr throughout the whole bathroom. So after we painted, we went ahead and started the shiplap. This was my husband's first time ever doing shiplap. We just kind of Googled and went with like our own instincts and everything like that. So we did plywood. It was much cheaper. So he bought 4x8 3/16 sanded plywood. I don't know how many sheets this took. I want to say he did like 2 sheets in here. It wasn't very much. We did this whole back wall. You guys will see as the video is rolling, and of course at the end. But yeah, it was 4x8 3/16 sanded plywood. He used a circular saw to cut it into the planks. I believe he did 6-inch planks. I could be wrong. I do know he had to go smaller on this one here, like you can see, because of the way the window cut out, and it was just kind of easier that way. So I think he did 6-inch for the majority of them, and then if he had to change things up, he did. And then we used nickels for spacing. So he would put nickels in between the wood to space it out to get the gap that you see in shiplap. And then we also used a seam seal for like the edges here that you see. But he went ahead and put on the cracks kind of like where the wood pieces connected when it was like a turned wall like this. And then we went ahead and painted. And for the shiplap, we used the color Pure Ultra White by Behr. So we used Gallery White on the walls and then Pure Ultra White on the shiplap. It's a very slight difference. The Gallery White has a tint of gray into it, very slightly. It's basically white, just a tiny tint of gray. And then the Ultra Pure White is Ultra Pure White. I will try to show you guys kind of a close-up so you can see the little bit of difference there is. But that is everything we did for the shiplap. It was super, I was about to say it's super easy, but I didn't do a single part of it. Fully did it all. He also used to nail in the shiplap, to nail in the plywood to the wall. He used a nail gun so that we couldn't see the holes from like nails or anything like that. It did take him quite a few days. My poor husband, he works lots of hours a week. Usually he works Monday through Saturday. He doesn't usually get home until closer to like 7 at night, so he basically only had Sundays to work on this, and so it has been about a month since we started this to the end between everything, because he doesn't have much time to work on it, and I am honestly no help when it comes to anything that has to do with the tools. I know nothing about them. So it was quite a project in length because of that, but if we had like a few dedicated days to it, he probably would have been able to crank out in like 3 days at the most. But anyways, so besides the shiplap, we added in new lights.
Get you nice things, but don't change for material.
Don't do that! It's not funny. I got my lights from Wayfair. I will link them down below. They are different because we had the single light and then we had the 4 vanity light that goes over our mirror. And I couldn't find a set that matched that I really liked, so I just got ones that were similar, and I think it looks great. We did go for the black look, and same with the faucets. I will also link those down below. They were Wayfair as well. Love the way the faucets look so much. They're also pretty fancy compared to our old ones, but I just love the way the black all came together. We switched out the door handles on the vanity to actually Target Dollar Spot ones. I shared this with you guys in a vlog a little while ago. I went ahead and picked up some Target Dollar Spot knobs and just switched those out. And then we also went ahead and switched out like the towel rack to the towel rack and the paper towel holder to like a black iron bar. And basically that brings us to where we are now, which is going to be the decorating. I will leave as much down below as I can that we used during this project. I'm seriously so happy with the way it turned out. But we're gonna switch to a voiceover now as we go ahead to clean and decorate the bathroom.
Even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, stayed over the surface. Now I just can't get enough.
So we started off by hanging this shelf that I got from Amazon. This actually came in a pack of 2 different shelves. I'm just using the one in the bathroom and I'm going to use the other one somewhere else. And then my husband's also hanging this wash your hands sign by the Magnolia line from Target for me. And then after I wipe this shelf down, I'm going to go ahead and put some little decor pieces on there. I'm just keeping it simple with some greenery from Dollar General. I got this cute little house sign from the Target Dollar Spot. And then I'm also just going to add a Grove Collaborative room spray. I'm trying to keep it very practical. We do only have this one bathroom in our whole house that we share with our kids, obviously, since it's the only one. We don't have a linen closet or anything like that, so throughout this video you guys will get little tips and tricks on how I keep our bathroom very functional with the decor pieces I use. Basically I just like to use pieces that I can also use for our everyday products and things like that. So that little basket canister there was from the Target Hearth and Hand section as well. And right now there's nothing in there, but I like to put like my jewelry and stuff in there when I take it off to get into the shower or whatever, because I often just forget it on the counter. So that's what I've been using that for. And then our hand towels, we got, actually all of our towels we got from Target as well when we first moved into this house a couple years ago, but they do still have them. So now I am just going to go through and wipe down our countertop and our sinks as well as our cabinets, because again, kids and dirty hands. White is just always getting dirty, so I'm constantly wiping everything down. But hey, at least it looks nice and bright, right, when it's clean?
Now I wanna embrace life. You and I side by side, knowing there is more in life that
I did want to take a second to just say hi and welcome if you're new here, whether you're coming from Mandy's channel or if you just stumbled across this video. My name's Tristina and I'm a stay-at-home mom to 2 little boys, a 4-year-old named Brayden and a 1-year-old named Tristan. I'm 24 and have been with my husband since we were 15 and 16 years old. We got married when we were 19 and 20. And this is our first house together. We bought it a couple years ago. We are finally just getting around to starting to make it more into our style, or I guess I should say my style, making it more what I want. My husband could care less what it looks like. So I'm going to be bringing you guys along with us as we do that room to room. Probably just in time for us to be moving out of here is when we're going to finish it. We have already outgrown our little house, but we love it and it's been a perfect starter home. So I hope you guys will press that subscribe button and come along with us on our journey. As for the pieces I'm putting on my countertop now, I got the little riser from Home Goods. This little candle is from Target Dollar Spot, and then we just use our Ray Dunn holder for the toothbrushes, and I have a little soap dispenser up there as well. And then these shelves over here we got when we first moved in this house as well from Hobby Lobby, and they do still have them. Actually, everything I'm about to decorate these shelves with is from Hobby Lobby from a few years ago, but they are all still there. So if it's anything that you like, you can still find it.
You can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now everything's alright. We've been longing for each other, and it feels.
This holder came with just regular glass vases, but my best friend painted these little mason jars, like a white, distressed white for me, and I use those for our Q-tips and our cotton balls, and then I use this little tin for our washcloths, and then I just put up a few cute signs.
This is something that I know for sure. It's just something about you. I just want more. Tell me what you wanna do right now. Tell me what you wanna do tonight. I really don't.
Okay, I'm sure that this is something that everybody knows about at this point, but I'm very excited to finally have these because I'm always washing my shower curtain because we have a white one and kids. So I got these shower curtain hooks. They are like double-sided, so you can put the shower liner on one side and the curtain on the other. That way you don't have to take them both down every single time. I'm so excited about this. These are just black, again from Amazon. I will link them down below, but we're gonna go ahead and get up my shower curtain liner and my shower curtain, which I actually just washed, so it should be nice and white again.
Look into my eyes, you can use them as a mirror. You're my ticket to paradise. Hey, now look into my eyes, you can use them as a mirror, baby. You're my ticket to paradise.
So I lost several clips throughout this process. I don't know if it's just because it took so long or what. Also, my SD card broke. I don't know, I lost a bunch of clips. So I lost our painting clips. That's why I didn't put any of that in there. And I don't know. There's quite a few I lost, but I did also lose my sweeping and mopping clips. So I did sweep and mop, and then I'm just going to go ahead and put down our rugs and this little galvanized bin that I got from the Hearth and Hand section at Target I use for our towels. Oh, I don't know how I could forget, but I lost my before clips, and I am super bummed about that. I don't have any before clips. And I think that this is the last piece. This is already on the wall, so I'm just going to show it to you guys. But I got this from our bridal shower actually years ago now. And I think it's from Target. I added some hooks on here. And then we got this wreath from Hobby Lobby years ago, and the thing's still on it, so I really need to take that off. It was originally $59.99 though, if you wanted to know. I just put that in the middle, and that is what we use to hang our towels on. And this is it, you guys. The bathroom is complete. I am so happy with the way it turned out. Seriously, couldn't be happier. It is basically exactly what I want in a bathroom. Of course, I would like a nicer bathtub and to change the floors up one day, but we aren't going to be here for that long, hopefully, anyways. So we just don't see the point in doing like those big, huge projects like that. But yeah. So this is our one and only bathroom in this house. We do share it with the kids. So it's very important that it is functional for us, but while still making it look nice. So I am so pleased with the way it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to press that subscribe button if you haven't already. Lastly, don't forget to check out Mandy's video as well for some more bathroom inspiration. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!